There's a drone over my house. There's a flashing light right there. There it goes. Can't see it. I just walked out of my house and there was a drone right there flashing a light and it just disappeared. And now that I'm talking out loud at night, my guineas are acting up. But there is a drone in the sky. It's difficult to photograph the sky. Somebody mentions that when I'm up late to photograph the sky. But I have motion sensor lights everywhere. So wherever I walk, the lights turn on. I'm not even sure what time it is. See, when I walk, the lights are turning on. So it's difficult to photograph the sky. But it was a drone as soon as I walked out of the house. I'm not even sure what time it is right now. After I post this video, you just saw the eyes of a raccoon. 1 second. I saw it. There you go. There he goes. There goes that raccoon. He's climbing up in there.